Today I will try to replace the battery in my Google Pixel 6a. The task is to separate and break the adhesive tape that holds the display module and the bottom part of the smartphones together. The tape holds both parts quite well. The most dangerous moment of the repair is that the display cracks if lifted from one corner. This requires control and patience. Don't try to lift the display from one corner. The display will crack 100%. Go around the contour of the display by inserting the plastic, or in my case a metal prying tool between the body. Gradually insert the tool deeper, increasing the separation of tape inside. Go around several times, you will see when both parts come apart. The display flat cable is located on the left side of the smartphones when looking at the display. Be careful not to damage flat cable with the tool. I admit that I use metal prying tools. It's better to use plastic one, and I didn't hit the display to make the tape easier to tear. I thought I could get by on experience at the cost of few extra scratches on the edges. This phone after 900 charge cycles lost its battery capacity and it simply needs to be replaced. Since I believe my hands grow from the right place, I will do the replacement myself. Yes, I can buy a new phone, but I stick to my own green and pragmatic policy. If I can extend the life of the device, I will try to do it. And don't pay attention to the sound of parrots. Screwdriver Torx T3. I remove this small cover of the display connector, disconnecting the display connector, unscrewing several screws, I remove the protective film, remove the reinforcement bridge, which gives rigidity to the structure and fixes many of smartphones' internal components through it. Okay, this part didn't need to be unscrewed, so I screw this part back in. Next step, I carefully remove the battery. This action I do very carefully. Any damage to the old battery can cause a fire. I try to do this gradually, minimizing pressure on the old battery and not bending it, since any physical damage to the battery can cause a short circuit. There is still tape left from the old battery. I won't remove all of it. Let it hold the new battery. Time for subscribing to the channel. Like and comment from you. Thank you so much. Old battery on the bottom, new battery on top. The main moment of the phone repair, installing the new battery. Battery part number GLU7G for Google Pixel 6a. Alright, fasten a new battery connector. Installing back reinforcement bridge. Screw back a few bolts. Note that the bolts are different lengths and you need to mark this. Draw on the piece of paper so you don't forget. Next step, I clean off the old tape from the edges of the bottom part of the smartphones with the flat metal prying tool. Then it is necessary to finally dissolve and clean the remaining old tape using cotton swabs socket in the Flux Off cleaner. Then clean the old tape from the edges of the display module. I have a Patreon, and for those who want to support the channel, the link in the description. Now it's necessary to apply glue T7000 in a thin layer along the perimeter of the bottom part of the smartphone, which is used for regluing. If you don't have the original adhesive tape for Google Pixel 6a, this solution will save you. This is universal solution suitable for gluing almost all smartphones. I stick the film back. Then I begin the wedding ceremony. Write in the comments how many phones you have ever repaired yourself. I'd be interested. Snapping the protective cover of the display connector. Tighten the last bolt. Placing the display module on the bottom part of the smartphone. Turn on the phone. Great. Turn it on. Carefully press both parts so that the glue sticks around the entire perimeter. You can clamp them with rubber bands or wrap with wick tape. touchpad works, display works. Alright, we did it. In the description you will find links to my website with soldering fluxes for electronics. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video.